This is everything you need to know about how to make 3 clay trinkets for your home or as a gift. Hi, my name's Meg. Whether you're an experienced artist or a beginner, air-dried clay is a great way to make trinkets for around your home or as a gift. Let's get into it. I'm going to show you 3 basic household items that you can make with air-dried clay. Make sure you follow the instructions on the package to prepare the clay. First, we're going to make a candle holder. Take a piece of clay and knead it until it's pliable. Then, roll it out with a rolling pin to a thickness of around 1 centimetre. Using a glass or jar, place on the clay and use a craft knife to cut around to make a circle. This will become the base of your candle holder. Then, using the leftover clay, use a ruler and create a rectangle about 6 centimetres long. This will form the base for your candle. Next, use your candle as a guide to determine the circumference of the candle base. Wrap the clay loosely around the base and make a mark. You don't want the clay too tight, as the clay will shrink during the drying process, so allow for a little bit of extra room. Then, lightly place the candle holder onto the circle and mark out the area. Score the surface to create friction for the clay to connect to. Use a dab of water to create a bond and gently press the clay together. And use a clay tool to smooth out the surface area. Ensure the clay is smooth and free of marks and indents before setting it aside to dry. Now we're going to create a clay bowl. Again, take the air-dried clay and knead until pliable. Roll it out to a thickness of 1 centimetre. Place your clay disc inside the mould and use your hands to ensure it is a snug fit along the inside. Then use your clay tool to trim the top. Use a damp sponge to smooth off the bowl and any rough surfaces. Once you're happy with the look of your bowl, leave to dry. And finally, we're going to create a jewellery holder. As with your other creations, you'll want to knead the clay until it's soft and pliable and roll that to a thickness of 1 centimetre. Then cut out a circle shape for the base of the jewellery holder. Take some clay and roll into mini balls. You will need to make enough to fit around the edge of the shape we've just created. Score the edge of the base with a craft tool so that there is enough grip on the edge for the balls to attach to. Use a dab of water to act as glue. Place the balls around the edge and push the balls down lightly to attach to the base. Now, let the jewellery holder air dry completely. Once your clay creations have dried completely, you can decorate them with acrylic paints to personalise your projects. Once you've finished painting, leave to dry. And there you have it, your very own DIY clay craft trinkets. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.